Alright, hello.
How's it going?
We're here at the world's first bungee jump in New Zealand. The man, you're about to do it. It's going through your head.
Here we go. Feeling good. Do you want to get it over and done with?
Yeah, you look pretty confident. Usually this is way funnier because people are shitting themselves, but
That should be good.
cool, let's do it. Let's go bungee jumping.
For us today, hands up, chin down. Nothing jump off. And then my core. Life's too short, I've got pretty good service.
Yeah, so if you stand there full off, you might get like. So, jump.
Dysfunctional. Yeah, but you bring me nothing stupid. If you don't want me to lose it, step back if you
That's a bit more like it. So on the black.
I got new colors for none.
get away from me.
Come on down, Colin. We're going to take some photos before you hear that. Nothing in those pockets, eh? GoPro better be recorded too. That'd be a funny one. Tick 9. Almost all the way out there, mate. You don't rush it. And now smile and wait for this one here. And all the way around this way as well.
Tick 9, yeah.
Alright, mate. Hands up, chin down, water. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Holy shit!
Oh yeah! No, tensions on.
Woo!
Alright, man, you're gonna come over this way.
Get all that pole for us, bro.
Holy shit, just stay like that, bro.
Who's going for us?
Oh, damn.
Ryan! Alright, bro, we're gonna photo for you up this way. Give it a wave.
How was that one, man?
Awesome.
Nice to get the water?
No.
Where are you from, bro?
Ireland.
Enjoying out of here?
Yeah, it's cool, bro. Chill.
It is, bro.
It's awesome.
It's a good
T-shirt.
It's a free bungee jump with a $205 t-shirt.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome. Cheers, guys.
Sorry about that.
Thanks very much.
No
Cheers,
worries,
thank
man.
you.
Jump on up into the grey one.
Oh, yeah. Super. Cheers. Thanks, house. Holy shit. That'll spike your adrenaline. That was sick.